Hi guys! Good afternoon!
Good afternoon.
Welcome back sa channel natin. There, see? Can you see them? There. We are in BROADBEACH now and it's currently 1 o'clock ng hapon. Sobrang init. Go, ate! Why are you acting shy now? Go! Baby Celine is sleeping in the pram. Oh my God, sobrang init guys, 35 degrees, hirap maghanap ng parking. So finally, nakahanap kami ng parking after like probably 10 ikot-ikot dito. Naging Sarah Heronimo na kami kasi naikot-ikot.
Shy.
Hi! Yeah, finally.
What are you calling secret?
Look! Tingnan nyo. So, di ba last week pumunta din kami dito sa Gold Coast, but that was in Surfer's Paradise. So, today, we are in BROADBEACH. Perfect for swimming kasi sobrang init, but I am not going for swimming. We'll have something to eat. Dito ang aming menu. I'm thinking about getting a crumb calamari rings and cheese. Something light lang. Yeah, I think that will do. Tapos drinks na lang. They got pizza actually. Oh, it's cooler here. Oh my God. Pag doon ka sa labas, tingnan mo sobrang init, diba? They have like Sunday market going on there, so I wanna go have a look later.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Guys, how many times I ate?
What's that? Is that hi? Say bye-bye!
It's gone. It's gonna be bad. Don't destroy Christmas.
Don't ruin Christmas! Come here! What did you say? What did you say to Irene? Did you say hi, Irene? Oh, cutie! Kakagising lang ng ating baby soon. Ate, where's Ate? Where's Ate?
Auntie,
Oh, there she is.
let's go to Auntie.
Oh. Go. 1, 2, 3. Down. Wow. Go. What you doing?
I find some pleasant.
Oh, what's that?
Pleasant.
Treasure?
Treasure.
Oh.
I found a shell.
Yeah, we'll go to
The beach.
the beach
I
in a
kissed-
bit.
I kissed Lee. I kissed it.
Aww. Aww. Anya's kissing Irene.
Ew. The shell.
Gonna take the kids to the guys, somewhere na merong dyan shade ba para makapaglaro sila ng kanilang mga sand. But first, toilet first. See, they've got like playground there as well, so maraming
Can me
options yung
and
mga
Celine and Paris and Anya come to the same toilet?
Of course.
Woo!
Yeah, unisex
What?
toilet.
Not yet. First
Beach!
Tada!
Hot! Put that on because it's so hot. Siya yung gumagamit ng hot ni Mami kasi yung sa kanya naiwan sa sasakyan. Hindi man kinuha ng kanyang kakao.
Anya. That's Anya.
Where's Anya? There. Okay, put that on because it's so hot. Otherwise, we can't play in the sand. Okay? Gotta put it on. Good girl. Good girl. See, that's where we're going. Beach. We'll find somewhere na hindi masyadong mainit. Yung may shade. Yes? Excited palangga?
Start a beach. The shark come.
The shark come?
Yeah.
Nah. The shark won't come.
I'll leave the front here.
Yeah.
Mama, it's real. It's real. Play.
Yeah. Just leave there. From here. Okay. Wanna take your shoes off? Or maybe, oh, is it too hot? Yeah, they can play there, Bob. They don't have to go far. They don't have to go far. It's like there's shade. Yeah, definitely. Ling, take your shoes off, nak. Palangga. Okay. Take your shoes off. So, other one. There you go. Put that thing on your lang. Put the hat on.
Bring it back.
Lini found a dinosaur. Careful there, nak. It's hot enough. Let me stay on this side. Come. Give me the hat, babe. Hey, give me the hat. You wanna put it on? Okay, Mama will hold it then. Okay, go, follow Ate. Oh, okay, hot. Like that, okay? Tingnan niyo. Hala. Wow, naka-fendi si Inday. Yeah! Oh, show Ate. Show Ate what you found. Ate, look what Celine found.
Where is Celine?
What's this? What's that?
Where did you find?
Forrest is like, where is Celine? Celine's in front of you.
Where did you find? Where did you
Just there, somewhere there. Maybe someone played with that one before.
I forgot my shoes again.
Yes? Do you wanna go? Oh, is it hot? Hot? Is it hot? Carrie? Baby, carry it. It's hot. Look. Oh. My God. Napakainit ng balas. Napakainit. Run. Oh. Okay. Yay, Lily. Lily's gonna play. Aren't you gonna play?
No.
There you go. Look, yeah. Go play. Yeah, stay here, yeah.
I got one. Do you want to go here? Yeah. Oh my God.
Tingnan niyo, nakikita niyo ang init, oh. Yeah, no, I told Mark to let go. We're not keeping the kids there for so long. Because I know these two, when they spend too much, like,
On the sun.
yeah, in the sun, when they're like water, they get sick. Yeah. Mom Karen just saw her. See? Siya naglakad-lakad lang siya. Ala, what happened to your nose, Mom? What happened? Huh? What happened? Just stay there, anak. Just there. saya-saya nila sa tubig. Oh, mga sarina. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my God, the water is so cold. Grabe ang ginawa ng tubig, guys. Kahit sobrang init. Ah, stay here. Lini. That's a very fast run. You didn't see that coming, did you? Stay there. That's it. Just here. No more. Just here.
No more longer there, okay? It's right there.
Was the jellyfish store alive?
Yeah, I think so. Well, just to be very careful.
I saw jellyfish then right there. And I touched the one up.
Don't touch it. Never touch jellyfish.
Oh,
Do a hat, Lini. Lini, do a hat. There's another one coming.
stay there, stay there.
No, I can later.
La, 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 la. Woo!
Where is 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Oh, don't get wet. Don't get. Yes. Hi guys.
Hi.
Meet Amy. She's Irene's mom, Paris's best friend. Look. Oh. We only have 5 minutes left. Kasi we're pagod na kami, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Have a look at Celine. Celine is very brown now. Honey, you're very tanned. Ang mga dads ay nandun lang sila, oh. Wala to dito ang mga ang
I
ibang
need
kids.
water so I can clean everyone.
Si Daddy Mike ang nandito.
Clean first.
Did you? Okay. Rinse her off now.
I rinsed her off already. Now I will clean her. No, I never clean myself.
Okay, let's go rinse now, guys. Anya, go back now. Come on. We'll go rinse. Play in the playground. Let's go. Up playground. Good girl.
Girls, let's go.
I'm rinsing it with my water.
Let's rinse it. Yeah.
Lily, no! No!
Hi, we're going anyways, Paris, Nicole. What are you talking about? We're done at the beach, guys. Andito na kami ngayon sa Narang.
Mama.
And
Papa.
we're gonna have something for dinner. So, nag-book si Amy ng Thai restaurant dito. Ay, Nana. Kain Nana ang ating baby girl.
Mommy.
I would pull it badly.
Mommy.
Yes, go. Mama, help. One, two, three. Wow! Gutom na ang unggoy. Go, ate. And Lola. They're there, see? Ah, yeah. See, that's the one. Titanic. Diyan kami pupunta. Titanic. Cute ng name yun. Oh my God, grabe. Sobrang init, guys. But, nag-cool down na ngayon. Okay na ngayon. Ano na sila sa loob? They're in the hi, where's the door? Where's the door? The door is this one.
Somewhere you gotta change. It's nice.
My lucky things.
go?
There's a pool in there. Oh,
Did it get it?
yeah. Look.